Now, a Parliament Standing Committee on Information Technology will look now into reports that Facebook did not pull down hateful content posted by the BJP legislators on its platform deliberately as it looked to seek favours from the government. Now, a report in the Wall Street Journal claimed that Facebook's top public policy executive in India, citing business reasons, didn't apply hate speech rules to at least 4 individuals and groups.
देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी अपनी गलतियों की तरफ नहीं देखती है। कमियां आप में खुद है। आप अपनी कमियां नहीं देखते बल्कि इल्जाम तराशी करते हैं। फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के बारे में उनके प्रवक्ता जवाब देंगे, लेकिन मैं मानता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी से आज कांग्रेस का कार्यकर्ता रूठा है, देश की जनता रूठी है। राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व को कांग्रेस स्वीकार नहीं कर रही, उनके कार्यकर्ता नहीं मान रहे। फिर वो अपनी कमियों को कभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर, कभी फेसबुक पर, कभी ट्विटर पर, कभी व्हाट्सएप पर जिम्मेदारी डालते हैं। खुद की कमियां नहीं तलाशते।
वो क्या बिजनेस इंटरेस्ट है जो कि फेसबुक को और व्हाट्सएप को आगे देने के लिए ये एक तरीके से डील हो रही है कि आप हमारे देश के अंदर हिंदुस्तान में माहौल खराब करें, घृणा का माहौल बनाए, पोलराइज करें, हमारे समाज को जाति और धर्म के आधार के ऊपर बांटें, जो कि बीजेपी का और आरएसएस का एजेंडा है। आज कांग्रेस पार्टी ये मांग करती है कि इसके लिए एक जेपीसी को बिठाया जाना चाहिए और ये जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी इस बात को इन्वेस्टिगेट करे।
You rightly pointed out, if I could hear you correctly, Mr. Shashi Tharoor definitely has, as chairman of the Standing Parliamentary Committee for Information and Technology, will issue a notice to the Facebook and ask them for their deposition before the panel, as well as to get a response to them to what various American media have pointed out. It's quite shocking and unraveling the fact that both Facebook as well as WhatsApp are being, as alleged by that article, controlled by and being determined by political thought and the processes that are involved in that in terms of businesses. It's in that in context that social media and its relevance has an important role, and that's why the chairman for the information technology is looking at this extremely seriously. The fact that somewhere down the line, when we talk about print media, electronic media, there are some regulations, some controls, there are various ways of acting. But in the social media platform, where the control is completely and directly with people which do not, and where India does not have access, and especially in our political process, this has far-reaching political as well as social consequences. And we hope that there will be no obstruction for a fair and thorough investigation into these various concerns that have been raised by the American media, especially the fact that Facebook and WhatsApp are being determined by political thought, and that is why they are not taking action against hate speeches.